So this video is about dances.
Okay, our first tip, the one that's most important out of all of them we give, defunk. Antiperspirant, deodorant,
Whatever you want to call it.
load it up.
Because sweat stains
are not attractive.
Oh, man.
Oh,
Yeah.
man.
But, you know.
Oh, I never painted my nails.
Tip number 1 is you want lots of powder. Because you know what comes?
The shinies.
Yeah.
Am I in the shot here? I just stick for the eyes with like nothing too dark. So it'll be pretty dark in there anyways. And something that'll kind of like make you look happy and fun, but you don't want like
what I did?
a day look, you know?
Should I tell them what I did?
In your outfit of the day.
I took kitten eyeshadow and then I used kitten all over the lid enough to my brow bone, and I used this on like half of my lid, and then this in my crease. Eyeliner from MAC. It's just a green eyeliner on the top and brown eyeliner on the bottom. And
you want to make sure you use a little primer for the face, because you're going to be dancing.
Because like ours, there's like, tonight I think there's like 10 different schools invited.
Yeah, but they're like all the Catholic schools near us.
Yeah.
But I'm pretty sure for public schools, they just
the
have
dance
a
is
school.
probably the same, but it's probably just like one school. I don't know. It depends, I guess.
And I'm using a silver in the crease called Idolize. I hit pan on it today. Things are so embarrassing.
I mean, it will be dark in there, so don't worry too much, but us, especially us two, we sweat a lot.
Yeah.
FYI, so just load up on the deodorant. And I mean, a little sweat stain isn't gonna matter since, like I said, it is dark, and I mean, everybody sweats, so they're not really gonna care. But
yeah, and don't bring like a purse.
Yeah, definitely.
Ask you to dance, never say no.
I mean, unless he's like a creeper.
No,
But
you have to
okay,
say yes.
don't say no.
That would be so mean. And if you ask a guy to dance and they say no, don't feel dejected.
Dejected. That's not a word.
Yeah, well,
dejected.
Dejected because they're probably just not even worth it.
They're probably just overwhelmed with your gorgeousness. Random people and just kind of introduce ourselves, and a lot of the times they end up to be like BFFs with us. Like random guys from other school.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool.
If you wanted, there's the MAC brush cleaner.
They aren't like homecoming or something where you need to like buy a dress for. You usually just come
none of us are wearing like t-shirt and jeans. Yeah. But we're like I'm wearing like a nice top and just like a cardigan and jeans and sandals. So.
Just like a little more fancier than like every day. Can I just like jeans?
I mean, or you could wear jeans and t-shirt, but if you want to be like,
yeah. And then I'm using Kat Von D's leather and
just like a tutorial what makeup we're wearing.
Yeah, this isn't very planned out or professional, so sorry y'all.
But just an FYI, our videos are never gonna turn out as professional as you like them to.
On the top, just wearing a green juicy jacket, and then I'm wearing a black tank top from Delia's, some Forever 21 dark wash jeans, and some pink Converse. Kind of like straight and blow dried my hair, which makes it kind of curly on the ends, and wearing green eyeliner on the top.
So, okay, so I'm wearing this top. It's from Soprano, possibly? Yeah, whatever. I got it at TJ Maxx.
I thought that was the one your grandma.
From BP. Got it from Nordstrom's Rack. It's just like navy blue. And then I have some Rue 21 kind of lighter wash skinny jeans.
Stummy.
Yeah. And then these are from like, I don't know what brand they are. Got them from Off-Broadway sandals. And then I'm wearing like purple eyeliner on the top and then some brown shadow.
Yeah. My hair's straightened. I have some volumized bangs, but I'm scared they're going to get kind of sweaty. And then I have just a blue cardigan from BP, a gray shirt from Nordstrom's Rack with some studding. A lot of it has fallen off. And then a blue bandeau, some jeans from
Flygoss.
Yeah, and then sandals from Target. Just have neutral and just thick liner. And rosy lips. Bye! What was the dance?
Just kidding. It was pretty rad.
Pretty chill.
Say insert pictures here, like you always love doing.
Insert pictures here.
Okay, so what do you think of the dance?
You know, it was decent. I mean, I guess since we're not so young, we don't get the big, the hype about it anymore. You know, we're kind of just over the dances, I think.
And we don't really get to see all the people we knew.
Yeah.
Graduated.
Yeah,
Haley,
but
how do you feel about the dance?
yeah, and
I felt so tired during the
And then
dance.
there
I
was
felt
this,
so shiny, and I don't wear sandals.
there was this chaperone.
Which one?
He separated her and her boyfriend from making out.
And then
What? What? When was this?
You guys had to make room for Jesus.
no, we were dancing and he's like, let's make some room, people, and we're like, okay. And then after that, we were all standing in a big group, and he's like, okay, thanks for coming, you can leave now. We're like,
And I was
we're
like, thank you. I wish I had a boyfriend that.
Remember her tips: never say no to boy, even though I asked him. Whatever. Never say no. Don't feel dejected if you aren't accepted. Don't feel dejected if you weren't accepted.
Good
Thank you
advice,
very
Haley. Abby, any commentary on Haley's advice?
Huge news! Tomorrow is their birthday party, and we will be filming that.
Except we can only have a small party, but it'll still be
We
fun.
wanted to have one.
Okay, guys, so don't get.
How do we say this?
Yeah,
How do we say this
DD.
with respect?
How do I put this? So
Yeah.
basically.
Okay, did you see the?
So basically, how do I put this? How do I put this in a manner? Proper
That won't offend you guys.
Okay, so basically, I know this shouldn't be an excuse, but our lives have just been so busy with homework and social lives and
Cross country.
Facebook and cross country.
Facebook.
boys, all that,
And
all that
okay,
kind of
let
chill
me finish.
stuff.
Okay, so
Talk about the retreat.
so this weekend has been crazy. So tonight we had a dance. Tomorrow we have our party. Then Sunday
Probably family day.
homework, science fair stuff. Family day, yeah, whatever. And then Monday we have a bunch of work due, and then Tuesday we go on our retreat for 8th grade.
Unless you want us to post like Halloween
So,
tutorials
so-
the weekend before.
Yeah, so we can do that, or we're gonna have a special treat for you guys, some footage from our retreat, which is gonna be pretty epic. So
Yeah.
It's a few days.
it's basically.
And
how it
Abby's gonna
goes,
do her
yeah.
Kesha look soon.
Yeah, I tried doing a hippie look the other day, but I'm not really good in front of the camera by myself.
Yeah, so maybe Monday after school you guys can bring your costumes and we can just all try them
I don't
out.
have my.
Except I only have one part to my dress. But if you don't like them, don't just turn it off.
them.
Don't just go comment on our videos giving us criticism. It can be constructive criticism, but it can't be like
It can't be stuff.
had any.
It can't be stuff we can't change. For instance, be like Kathleen, dye your hair black.
28-3.
This is Haley doing her cheerleading.
Okay, so I'm an aspiring cheerleader as you learned in my previous vlog that I uploaded.
Hip hip. I love that song.
Okay, this song.
There we go. Perfect. No, you have to do something nice.
Abby, take a picture.